Shitty Chevy coming back to us. So we gotta figure out what's wrong with it. Makes a terrible squeaky noise, as you recall in the last video. So this piece of shit 6-liter engine makes a terrible squeaking noise. Now it's not the engine's fault, it's all the shit that took to it. What it is the water pump is shot. I can grab it by the fan down here, the clutch fan, and just shake the piss out of it. Even with that serpentine belt with tension, I can grab that motherfucker and just move it around. And he's losing water. He's already had to fill it up twice within the week. And he's feeling like if he doesn't find out what the issue is, he's going to burn it up, because we're having the 80 degree, 90 degree weather, and he's just like paranoid. So let's look into this here. I'll start it. You can listen. God, that's lovely. Imagine going through a drive-thru. I'll take fries and the large drink. Terrible. So I don't know. I'm probably gonna have to take this top shroud off to make it easier to get it out with that clutch fan on, but once I get all the bolts undone, it should be pretty simple. Serpentine belt, of course, comes off first, but yeah, I got the little snorkel silencer thing on top. That should be simple enough. Flathead screwdriver. This job should be pretty easy. I bid myself up to where I felt comfortable. I'm going to get a good pay out of it. But at the same time, the guy's not going to have a fucking thin wallet. So after you remove the top shroud here, which is pretty damn simple, it's just two 10mm, one on each side. Then there's these little fucking fake plastic clip things. Just pop them out with a screwdriver. God damn, listen to that guy fucking with that leaf blower. He wants you to know he's doing some work today. He's just out there. Rah, 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 rah. You hear me, motherfucker? I'm working. All right, we got you. Then you're gonna want to take your fucking like channel locks or something, and you can try needle nose pliers and take these fucking evil clip things off. I mean, these motherfucking things are badass. They got some spring to them, and I'm probably not gonna reuse them. I'm probably gonna just go with the old-fashioned. You churn it and it fucking locks. It just keeps getting tighter. Fuck them things. Them things are gay. So you got them all over here too. You gotta pull these. So you got two heater hoses and then one on the bottom. Chuck that sucker down because it's gonna pour out a bunch of Dex Cool everywhere. Dex Kill, I should say. Sorry. Once you get that out of the way, of course, you got your serpentine belt. Blah blah blah. This thing don't feel too good either. I'm not playing it, but hey, we're gonna send it. He'll be back, right? Then leave all this shit on, because when you get your new one here, you can just transfer it over once you get it out. So you're gonna have 6 bolts, 6 of them. Here's 3. You got one here, one here, one here. You got another 3 over here. You got one there, one kind of there, and then one on the bottom. Once you get those 3 on that side and 3 on that side, this fucking thing will come right off, just like nothing. And then you can change over your fan. Now, if you get the cheap kit, you won't have a new clutch fan. If you get the expensive kit, you'll have a new clutch fan. Now, this clutch fan is actually still good. No need for the new one, but he brought me the expensive one, so he wants a new clutch fan too. Because like I said, we're getting up in them temperatures where he's getting scared. He's like, oh no, it's gonna overheat. Look at that fucking cheap shit. Fucking Chevy. Hey, see that? Fucking Rocky. No good. That's what the squealing was from. The bearing shot. It's just metal on metal. All that fucking play in there. Both front to back, back side to side. In fact, you can almost kind of lift it up too. So out she goes. In goes the new. Like I said, now it's easier to take all this shit off. 10mm here. My guess maybe 15mm. I haven't done it yet, but that'd be my guess for that shit. And then this one here is just a big, I usually use a big monkey wrench or something, pipe wrench. Get it in there and just fucking tap it real quick with a hammer. It comes right off. God damn, that guy sure wants us to know he's working again. He's out there. Fucking listen to me. So, if you're just tuning in, I am pissed off because I can't seem to get the clutch fan to unhook. I've tried everything to get that to fucking come apart. Spinning this big fucking nut thing in there so that I can get this fan off. but she don't want to separate. So I'm gonna take her part from the back here and just drop her down, and then go ahead and put it in the vise because it's too big for my vise. Plus I broke my vise. So let's go ahead and just keep fucking with it. I think there was a core charge on this. I might be a little fucked. Fucking pile of shit. I cut all this off. This shaft, there's nothing expanded, nothing holding it. I don't know. I beat the shit out of it. I've gone to plan B. I just started cutting. I'm cutting this fucking housing in half, and I'm just gonna hit it with a hammer. And fucking, hopefully it just snaps apart. I'm getting sick and tired of this shit. Fucking A. How the fuck? Fuck. I should have left it on the truck or something and tried to knock this thing off. God damn. Fuck you, you fucking dirty cunt. Fuck you and your twat box, you piece of fucking shit. Fuck out of my fucking face. Fuck yeah, I got that shit off of there with a couple of Jose Canseco swings like I was souped up on steroids. Taught that bitch a lesson. I also, though, at the same time, fucked up the fan. So all this work was for nothing, pretty much. I don't know. Can't win. So, here's a new plan. Fans are weighted and balanced. So all we have to do is do the same thing, 180 degrees, and that will cancel it out, right? It's like you're sending sound waves, the same frequency at other sound waves. In the middle, when they meet, it's neutral. There's nothing. That's what we're going to do. We're going to cut off that to match that, and then it's like you balanced it. It's like balancing a blade for a mower. Oh, we're great. Just watch. Look at that. I fucking did it. I fucking did it. Anyways, look at that. Got the cut one here. That's cut. And we got the broke one. So, yeah, canceled it out, right? The only problem is I was counting here. We got 3 fans on this side, the split, and 4 on this side. Hopefully it works out pretty good. Otherwise, I'm going to have to try a little something else here. Hopefully he don't notice it. It's in the shroud, so nobody will be able to see it but me. Oh wait, he watches my fucking videos too. Fuck! Almost complete. The guy's gonna be here in about 30 minutes, so I better hurry my fucking ass up, that's for sure, because I told him it wouldn't take very long, and so far it took way longer. I thought I'd have time to fucking lounge around, maybe take it for a quick little test drive, make sure everything's going well. But like I said, I'm going with the newer, better style than these fucking cheap trinky-dink motherfucking deals. You know, fuck that shit. Boy, I don't know, that fan sure smooths out that engine. Just filling it up, ready to go back.